What's up, fire breathers? These are your movements, standards, and my thoughts on Dracarys Fit Home, then Gym for 2019-01-17. So for home, your warm-up, you've done this before, but one more time, your low lunge and twist is going to be back knee to the ground. I'm not doing it on the snow. And then twist in and rotate up, stretching into your upper back and shoulders, opening up those hips. And then your open and close the gates. Open, try to keep those hips square, and close, open, close. And then you're moving for a distance at pace 1, going through the whole series again, going a little faster, and then going through the whole series again, and then going a little bit faster, above the pace that you're going to be doing for your workout. For your workout, you have a distance run, then you're resting, and then you're running that same distance again. I do prefer that it is outside, or inside on a treadmill, if need be. If you need to use another piece of equipment for whatever reason, that's fine. Let me know, and we will talk about the distance that you'll be going on a different erg. And that's that. Remember that you can use your warm-up also as a cool down. Gym. So you're starting with a strength today. It is a 1 rep max. Shouldn't be any questions about that. If you have any, let me know. For your workout, you have a couplet, 3 rounds. Your barbell movement is a squat clean. So you're going to be going shoulder blades back and down, belly button in, everything nice and tight, right? Good setup position when we go to clean. None of this, okay? Nice and tight, flat back. You're going to jump that bar up, only pull to here, catch it in a full squat, and stand up. Make sure you're standing up all the way before you drop that bar back down. You do not need to string them together unless you can. That will make it go faster and burn. But if you're doing singles, again, stand up all the way before you drop the bar. For the ring dips, your standards for those are starting at lockout, getting those elbows to or just past 90 degrees, and then back up. For most of you, what that's going to feel like is the top of the rings hitting your armpit. That's a fine standard, and then just locking out up top. They can be kipping. My hair's gonna, it's getting wet in the snow. They can be kipping, that's fine. They can also be strict, fine. Your scaling options for those, you can do them on a straight bar. You can do hand release push-ups, or you can do dips off a bench. Not my favorite, but if that's our only option, that's fine. Thing is to keep in mind about ring dip. What makes them hard is that, one, you got to stabilize those rings, right? That's the hardest part. The trick to ring dips is thinking of it like a push-up. So that's the reason that I'm not a huge fan of bench dips, because when you're on those rings, if I'm here and I try to lower straight down like this is a bad shoulder position. It's hard to get strength and power from here. You almost want to think of it like a push-up where you're kind of sending yourself forward, because what's this position? If I were to straighten out my body, it's a push-up position, right? So if you kind of hinge, lean forward, nice elbows high and back, those rings are at my ribs, I can maintain my power and push back up, okay? So that's why hand release push-ups are a scaling option for that. It's gonna burn, go as fast as you can. If you need to scale the number of ring dips, that's perfectly fine. Any other questions, comments, concerns? Hit me up, let me know, have fun, get a good workout in. I'm falling over. Attack with fire, and I will see you guys tomorrow.